best Reels application of the year today, and I'll be showing you guys how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. This is a very good Reels application or series application here, drama application. And as you can see, here quite a lot which you can choose from. Yeah, the trending ones which everyone's watching right now. As you can see, you can swipe across and see the others as well. You can swipe down and see other trending ones are based on specific topics. You can pretty much look for what you want or just tap on the search icon on top here and search for what you want. So all you have to do is just tap on whichever episode you want to watch, but sadly I won't be able to show you because it's gonna pretty much blur it out. I don't know why, but anyways, because of their privacy policy, won't be able to show you and take you through that section there. However, I can show you the reward section here, which pretty much you're going to need tickets to unlock episodes. Some of these episodes may have a lock icon on them, so those episodes with the lock icon, you're gonna need either tickets to unlock them or a subscription which unlocks all episodes. So how you get these tickets, all you have to do is pretty much use the application daily. You can either watch an ad or you can either watch any one of their reels or movies for a good amount of time. As you can see here, based on how long you watch, pretty much get a ticket as well. Down here, so you can watch ads as well to unlock tickets, so you can unlock episodes. So let's say you don't want to use these tickets to unlock just one episode. You want to unlock all episodes this free for a week. As you can see here, the subscription allows you to unlock all episodes for the week, for the year, and they don't have a monthly subscription. But as you can see, the price is there. Down here, if I scroll down a bit, you can also go ahead and buy tickets to unlock episodes. So very easy application to use. So in the profile section, you can also go here as well to pretty much get your subscriptions. You can see you can become a VIP member, and it will pretty much show you pricing and everything. Nothing much. You just can swipe across at the top here to pretty much see what they offer. So the download option is only available for the VIP subscription users, which you can pretty much download episode and watch for later use. So very easy application to use, and as you can see here, very good application as well. So if I missed anything at all, just comment below and let me know. See you guys in the next one.